What is the things that Adam was become superior over the angels? Knowledge. Because when Allah teaches the knowledge, Adam learned it. And the angels cannot learn it. So knowledge makes superiority to all the people of the world. Even in any field of the world life, the most important thing is knowledge. Learn the knowledge. Don't learn the knowledge for money or for the material gain, but learn the knowledge for Allah, for the sake of Allah. That I want to learn this knowledge for the sake of Allah. What is mean? Then I can give benefit to people with my knowledge. If you go to school and you think about materialism or you think about money, it's useless. Think that I am learning this knowledge, believe that I am learning this knowledge for my God, and I wanted to use that knowledge for the benefits of the human beings, for the whole world. And knowledge also can tell you if your way is going to paradise or if your way is going to hellfire. If you are blind, you don't know where are you proceeding. You think that you are going to paradise, but when you are alive on the day of judgment, you'll be thrown in the hellfire. Like most important knowledge, La ilaha illallah. There is no God except only one God, the Almighty, Tagapaglika. There's only one God. You need to know about Him, that there's only one God, infinite God, who is only one, who is without need, who has no father and who has no son, and He is not similar to anyone. And you need to believe in that God. And you need to know about Him. And again, what you need is a knowledge about your God, knowledge about your religion, knowledge about the prophets, knowledge about the next life, knowledge about the hellfire, and knowledge about the paradise. Save yourself from the hellfire and how to go to paradise. That's knowledge